Cortisol is a steroid hormone that increases heart rate and appetite in the body, but over time could lead to easy weight gain and bruising. A stress stimulus from the environment is processed in the amygdala in the brain, which makes the hypothalamus release corticotropin-releasing hormone. The CRH goes into the anterior pituitary gland, which releases adrenocorticotropic-releasing hormone, or ACTH, into the bloodstream to go down into the adrenal cortex on top of the kidneys. The ACTH binds to a GPCR on an adrenal cortex cell, which makes the G protein translocate to an enzyme. The enzyme produces cyclic AMP, which starts a transduction pathway that ends with cholesterol being cleaved into cortisol. Cortisol then leaves the cell and enters the bloodstream. Cortisol targets almost every cell in the body, but we'll focus on the effects of cortisol on the liver cells. The cortisol molecule diffuses through the membrane of the liver cells and binds to a glucocorticoid receptor, or GCR. The GCR complex is then moved into the nucleus, where it functions as a transcription factor for certain genes. The genes go through transcription and translation to produce enzymes that break down proteins into glucose in a process called gluconeogenesis. The glucose diffuses into the bloodstream, which raises the blood sugar level to let other cells consume more glucose. Cushing syndrome is a disease where the body has too much cortisol for too long of a time. Cushing syndrome can lead to easy bruising due to the weakening of tissues in the skin. Cortisol acts as a feedback inhibitor to the hypothalamus. When cortisol is present, the hypothalamus will not release CRH, which blocks the production of cortisol.